I just wanted to show you the importance of cleaning your furniture. Really need to clean it good. I've already washed this piece. Actually, I'll spin it. I've already washed this piece with soap and water. Then I let it dry, and then this was just a test. I went over it with the new Clean Cut, just in a bucket of water, or just warm water. Rinse it over with a cloth, and then wipe it off with paper towels. Look at the mess that came off. I thought that would have already been clean. Look at the filth that you don't realise is baked into your furniture. All grime, polish, people touching it all over the years, especially when it's a very old piece. So it's so important to clean properly. I'm now going to do the top sections here of where the mirror will go, get the stickers and everything off of it, give it another good clean cut. We'll see how much more dirt comes off, but it's so important. You'll never get a good paint base unless you've got a really squeaky clean piece.